Hi, I'm Sharon.
And I'm Sharika. So today we are doing a room tour for a bungalow in Atlanta. This bungalow was newly renovated and we got to put the finishing touches on this space. So why don't you tell them a little bit about her style?
Well, my client is Sophisti-Glam. That's the name we have for her. She loves sophisticated style and she loves glam. So we came up with a term, Sophisti-Glam.
Sophisti-Glam.
So we're gonna start with the foyer right here. So what we did a nice runner. Actually, it's a 4x8 runner at the front, so that way she can welcome her guests. And then she already had some pieces. She had the console and 2 coffee tables. They all were the same color palette. So we wanted to throw in another metal in there. You know how we love to mix those metals now.
We used her pre-existing console to anchor the entry. And then she really wanted a wallpaper that would add contrast to her very light walls. So we went with this beautiful, rich tone wallpaper, which has a beautiful movement in the texture.
So we added 2 sconces beside this mirror, and you can see the sconce is actually gold. It's not silver. So that's how we sort of intertwine with the different metals in this room. Talk about this mirror, Sharika.
So this mirror is super fabulous and unique. So our client really allowed us to push the boundary and pick something a little bit unusual. So originally we picked a round mirror to go in this space, but we ended up going with this sculptural mirror, which has very cool movement and is definitely a statement in her entry.
It's not really to look at yourself, because you would not like how you look in this if you're judging yourself with this. It's really just a sculptural piece in this room.
Absolutely.
So we're going to talk about her seating. So she did have a nice white sofa. It was just white, so we wanted to pop it. We always try our best to keep what our clients have at first and then add to it. Here we have a nice faux, say that again, faux fur pillow. It's beautiful. I did some velvet touches. I mean, also did a satin finish. So you see how we're layering colors and pattern in this room. Always remember when you're doing a space, especially if it's a small space as enclosed, always add texture and color and to give the room a nice warm feel.
So for the artwork, we did something abstract, so it still has that kind of cool contemporary feel. We pulled in the colors of navy and gold, and we encased the canvas with a very minimal, slim gold frame, just to add that balance with the silver and the gold within the space.
Right, so the gold doesn't overpower the artwork at all. It just accents it.
So as we get into the coffee tables, we had a lot of fun accessorizing these tables, because it has a glass top and a glass bottom, which allowed us to put this beautiful viscose rug on the bottom, which really enhanced the blue in the space. And then it allowed us to layer our coffee table accessories.
And this rug, again, is so soft under your feet. I wish we had feel-o-vision.
You guys know how much Sharon loves feel-o-vision.
Yes.
So with the coffee tables, we added a couple unique pieces, like these stacked glass cubes. We added this beautiful gold hand holding a round sphere. And then of course, you guys know that we love conversation books. So we stacked some conversation books and added some faux greenery so that our client wouldn't have too much maintenance.
Yes, I don't even want it. I will take the faux any day.
Yes. We continued the texture play by adding in these 2 furry accent chairs. They are so cute. And we also has that gold metal detailing on the chair. So again, we're slowly but surely introducing that gold throughout the room.
Talk about these beautiful pillows. Can't forget those.
So these pillows are so gorgeous. They have, well, first of all, the color, the navy blue, is translated throughout the space, and then it has this beautiful texture on it.
So, talking about texture, what we did was for her window treatment, so we added actually 6 panels on this window, just to bring in a little bit of high color and texture, but she has a really sophisticated piano in this room. And of course, our Sophisti-Glam client did not want the standard piano bench.
Yes.
So we had that upholstered, reupholstered, and we did some tufting in there. And so it's super gorgeous. It matches her piano well.
Absolutely. When we initially did the consultation, she really expressed to us how bad she really wants a modern linear fireplace. So we did just that. We added this beautiful linear fireplace and these gorgeous 12 by 24 tile, which have a beautiful movement to them. The movement almost mimics the flame in the fireplace. Yes. Our contractor also did an amazing job by tucking away all of the cords, all of the plugs, so now it just looks like a clean, seamless fireplace.
Thank you, contractors. You make this look well. Really well.
And then one more thing that we did add were these mirrors. So if you have a fireplace with empty space on the side, a mirror is a great way to make the ceilings look taller and also make the space look larger.
Double your space.
Yes, double. Thank you so much for tuning in to our Sophisti-Glam room tour. We'll see you next time.
Bye.